Well, on today's episode, we got my '06 Duramax in for a front end rebuild because she does not hold the 9.5 foot plow very well. This originally started, I was going to just order some timber and bump stops, throw them in, and then I got looking. That wheel bearings, that whole wheel bearing, the bushings and the control arms are shot. This one's somewhat all right, but I got looking. I was going to do some new torsion keys to kind of level it off in the front so that it would sit a little better. And then we got looking. Grab a flashlight. Truck's been in New York State its whole life, so you can imagine everything is slightly rusty. So I started pricing everything out, and by the end of it, the price on everything to rebuild the front end was cheaper than the time it would have taken me to try to heat everything up and just separate everything. So I just got all new shit. Upper lower control arms, 2 new torsion bars, wheel bearings. What else? Quite a bit of shit. Pretty much everything, literally everything to rebuild the front end. So that's what we're gonna do today. See if we can't bring this thing back to life, because she's still a good truck. She'll make us some money this winter. We just keep her running. So stay tuned. Rotor's off, calipers off, ABS wires disconnected. I'll pull that shock out. That bolt for the upper control arm snapped. I mean, kind of expected that. That one didn't snap. Cool. I'll drive those out. But I'm going to hop under there now and release the tension on those torsion keys so we can cut them off and get everything out of the way. Kind of got a little bit ahead of myself here. So, upper, lower control arms are all out. I end up, obviously the uppers were fucking frozen in, so just cut the control arm off to get it out of the way so I could get in there with the torches and cut everything out. Well, I gotta get that torsion bar out still. That should be fun. Guess I'll start putting stuff back together.